I'm gonna show you how to replace this bow rake handle. And you can pick these handles up at your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's. But if I can find one in Amazon, I'll put it in the description. I'm gonna show you what happened to mine. And don't do this. I stuck it in the fire pit. But as you can see, I was raking something in my fire pit and the handle came off. So don't put this in the fire pit. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace. As you can see, everything melted off right there. So this is right here is your bow. This is called a bow rake. And like I said, you can pick it up. You can pick up a replacement at a hardware store. This is the replacement right here. And if you look at it real closely, it looked like it already got some wood glue. So you can put some extra wood glue in this if you want, but you don't have to. I'm gonna just show you what you do. You see how this is flared in, so the more you push it on, it's gonna press against the sides. That's why they got this piece right here. It looks like it's metal, but I think it's plastic. As you can see, mine's burned off. But here go what you do. And I don't have a clue what this is. Maybe it's just for hanging it up on the wall or whatever. But I'm gonna just go ahead and knock that in. Okay, here go all you have to do. I know you see a lot of people with all these fancy tools and all that other stuff. This is all you need to do. You just take this and you can put it right here and just start hitting on the ground like this. And we do this in the country all the time. The more you hit it, it's just gonna go in. You don't need a hammer and hit it, you just got to do this. And that's it. That's all to it. I'm a country boy. We do this all the time. We got, as you can see, look at that. It's in. And it ain't coming out. If you want to, you can put some more wood glue or whatever you want in there. But this is not coming out. So you don't need no hammer beating it. The only thing you need to do, just hit it on the ground a couple of times. And that's it. So we're going to go and rake up some of this stuff in the yard. See what happens. That's it. If you look at this, it's in there. You don't have to put no nails, no glue. You don't need no fancy tools. You don't need no hammer. And you can see right there where I hit it on the ground, it just knocked that little staple thing to the side. But if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.